Hey guys, I'm Vasundhara, and today I came to the NMIMS School of Performing Arts to do a workshop, a 2 hour long workshop on genres and on personal style and how to develop your voice to sing all sorts of music. And I love this particular ethos that this school holds, that all genres are looked at with equal curiosity, and the children, they are equally interested in all the ways that music manifests itself. And I find it really, really exciting to be in this environment and to speak to children about these topics, because I also get to share these ideas which are not often discussed in other educational situations. So I had a great time, and it's an incredibly focused batch of students, because we did an over 2 hour, oh wow, almost 3 hour session right now, and without a break, and everybody was absolutely clued in and fully focused and engaged the whole time. So I feel really happy and satisfied as an educator in this situation, and I wish the school all the luck and all the growth in the years to come.